Welcome. If you want to give your channel admins the ability to delete stories posted by others on Telegram, you're in the right place. With Telegram's latest updates, managing your channel's content has never been easier. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to enable the Delete Stories of Others permission for your channel admins, making sure your stories stay relevant and under control. First, open your Telegram app and head straight to your channel. Once you're inside, look for the channel name at the top of the screen and tap on it. This will take you to your channel's main information page. Next, find and tap the Edit button, usually represented by a pencil icon. This opens up your channel's settings, where you have full control over how your channel operates. Now scroll down and select the Administrators option. Here, you'll see a list of all the current admins in your channel. Find the admin you want to give extra permissions to and tap on their name. This will bring up their admin settings, showing you all the permissions they currently have. Look for the section labeled Manage Stories. Under this, you'll see the option Delete Stories of Others. To allow this admin to remove stories posted by other members, simply checkmark or enable this option. Once you've done that, make sure to save your changes before exiting the settings. That's it. You've now successfully allowed your chosen admin to delete stories from other members in your Telegram channel. This feature is especially useful for keeping your channel's stories clean, relevant, and in line with your community guidelines. By assigning this permission, you ensure that your admins can help maintain the quality and safety of your channel's content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with other channel owners and admins. Stay tuned for more Telegram tips and updates to keep your communities running smoothly.